Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I have a bunch of paint that I've mixed up and I'm going out of town and I want to use it up. So I'm going to fill up, this is my silicone bowl from Lowly Vefe. Check it out in the description if you're interested. I reuse it all the time. It's awesome. And then these are all just different acrylic paints mixed with Floetrol and water. So I'm just going to be using up all of my paints here that I've already mixed that aren't in bottles, of course. The ones in the bottles I can save for, you know, at least a good month or more. That's why I usually just mix them in there, but sometimes I'll mix a one-off color. And so I'll just do that in a cup or a bowl. So the colors we have here are blue, purple, orange, and then color shift black, that's black flash, and then I'm just using some white. And I figured it'd be fun to do a triptych. A triptych is just two paintings that go together. They can be a set, they can literally go together as like one kind of thing. I'm not totally sure how we're gonna end up with this one, but I'm gonna do a tree ring. But to start with, I'm kind of just going to make sure we get plenty of paint on the canvases. And then I'm going to go ahead and tree ring in the middle here. I am going to add a little more paint really quick to my cup. Just want to make sure we have plenty. Okay. Get some more orange in there. Oop, lots of white. Okay. Now, these are not thick canvases, but I am going to try to kind of hold them together and move them together. This is not super easy, and I'm going to go very slow and gentle. But I'm also okay if they don't end up matching perfectly, you know what I mean? They don't have to be one continuous painting. And I'm really digging this color combination. Just kind of an accidental color combo. Alright. This is actually working out pretty well. I hope I didn't just jinx it. So I think I'm going to keep trying to... Okay. So at this point, I think I am going to separate them. And that's okay. I'll just make it a little more abstract. But if you want to, you can definitely hold them together more. You can also attach them at the back, like temporarily with screws or whatever you want to. I did not want to do this for this painting. So, I mean, feel free to suggest it down in the comments, but I kind of already had planned on not really worrying about it. And I'm just going to make basically two paintings that go together. They don't have to be a perfect set. They're just going to be a pair, basically. But even so, they kind of still look like they flow pretty well together. Just a little more this way. Okay, there we go. Yeah, they actually still really match up very well. All right, I'm gonna let these just sit here for a minute, see if anything else kind of changes with them. It looks like we have some cells popping through. We did use metallics in here. The purple was a metallic, as well as the color shift paint. All the materials will be down in the description, guys, so check that out. And we'll be back in a minute. All right, we're back. We got little cells in here, not too much. Let's go ahead and do our close-up. All right, starting with the lower right-hand corner here, you can see at the angle that color shift has that kind of metallic sheen in there. Coming up to the upper right-hand corner, I think this right side is definitely my favorite. And then coming down the kind of, well, the left side of this painting, but the middle of the triptych. Let's go over here to the left canvas. So got that orange popping through, very nice. Just really, really like this color combination. And I think that these look really great together. All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think. And otherwise, I will see you all next time.